This is what happened to the pool in the back of my daughter's yard. Holy cow. She told me it looked like a taco. It's worse than that. It's pushed all the way to the back fence. And yes, it's very windy out here today. We're going to have gale force winds tonight or during the day, and then up to 70 miles an hour. So, yet the pool used to be all the way over to here, and now it's over there. And on top of that, we have a trampoline in the backyard, and it's fine. There's nothing wrong with it, but the wind picked this one up, and man, I don't know how we're going to move this. So me and Ron came over to see what we could do with it. I'm not even sure.
So it looks like the legs are all intact.
Yeah, it looks like it. I don't see anything bent on this side.
This one here, this piece here is doubled up.
Oh yeah, that was
There's
definitely bent over.
So I think there's probably only 2 or 3 that are.
Yeah, but that's the problem. That's that top support that's bent.
Yeah, and here's the other one. So I really only see 1, 2, 3. One there, here.
Yeah.
Is that one doubled up, or did it come out? No, that one I think it just popped out.
That's still together. I think it just popped out.
Yep.
It came out.
Here's these 2 pieces here. Although this one's good, but the other one that goes into that's.
Other's bent. I don't know how we're gonna fix that thing.
Actually, I don't know if. Yeah, it's not that hard to fix.
Oh yeah, not that hard to fix.
No.
Oh yeah. No, it'll be easy. Yeah, right.
No, I mean, you can buy these pieces.
Well, yeah, you have to buy all the new pieces for it.
Yeah, buy them.
I'm sure. Yeah, it's Coleman, so Coleman's got it. So
it's not
I'm
like
sure.
an old model. It's one they just got.
Oh yeah, it's one they just bought. So a couple $100 for
And
$700 of pool. So anyhow, that's where we are, and
on this side,
fun. We'll see what we can do.
Did all the joints have legs? Yes.
Yes,
the joints
they do.
have legs.
Yeah, all the legs are still here.
They're all should be
And-
identical.
Yeah, all the same. We got just the top sections are snapped off in 3 places. That one's completely snapped off. So, yeah, this will be a fun project to redo again. Well, hopefully the liner's hasn't been
Nah, it looks
poked
like,
through. It looks like it's not. So,
Like I say, I'm afraid if we moved it around, I think it would just be
yeah,
make it worse.
probably make it worse. We did. I can see the outlets are still there. There's another one up there on top. I don't know if it's pulled out at all or
That was
not.
still all right.
That one right there.
Yeah, that one was still good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
18-foot Coleman. They're $25 each.
The what?
Okay.
Those are $25 a piece?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Coleman.
Huh. Wow.
So, summer backyard supply.
Huh.
18-foot Coleman Power Steel Swim Vista Series T-connectors.
Oh, okay. Well,
Oh, that's the T-connector. So
That's
I think I need, that's right, there were connectors and in the
that's the T connectors for the posts.
So,
The
okay,
legs.
T-connector got ripped on one. So I actually need 1 T-connector.
Yeah.
Because I think the T's are still...
Yeah, see what that, except for that one over there.
The T is still... Yeah.
It
You
looks,
might be able to... It looks like...
might be able to
the
bend
piece-
it back
the
in
straight
shape,
piece,
maybe. I don't
the T
know.
might still be good. So I think only 1 T and 3 straight pieces.
Bending it and finding other
Top rail. There
pieces.
they are. Holy cow, $50.
Top rails are $50.
That can't be.
Could be piece by piece, I guess, if we wanted to do it piece by
Top
piece.
rail for 18-hour swim Vista Series.
Well, anyway, the wind's picking up, so we sink slowly in the west. We see the trampoline still in one piece. How, I don't know. This is the backyard that Ron built. So, everything else is still intact, except for the pool. Oh well.